Good evening, traders. Matrix here. Here is my recap of my day 2 of Small Account Challenge version 2. As you can see, I know it's a little late. It's 2:30 a.m. in the morning, but I definitely want to do this recap before I go to bed, as it's a good habit to keep to recap your trades on a daily basis. So today I only made 2 trades. I'm going to pull it up on screen here. Okay, so these are my 2 trades. I basically short sold Facebook at 131.20 at noon, around 1 p.m. I covered, and then I short sold again and covered, and basically it was a break even day. So let's pull in my P&L for the day here real quick. Okay, so my P&L is unchanged. I made 2 trades, and tomorrow I'll be starting at since I made 2 trades, that's $6 in commission. So tomorrow I'll be starting at about only up $20 on this account. All right, so let's get in with the recap. Let's pull this back up, and I understand. Basically, I broke rules today. Okay, and what happened today is I woke up late at around 11 o'clock. Basically, I hit the snooze button, or I killed the alarm, and I never actually woke up until until I was called. Okay, and somebody called me on the phone this morning at around 11 o'clock and woke me up. And by that time, basically, all my trade plans are already in action and out the window. One of my rules is that I don't trade after 11:30 p.m. So today, these 2 trades, I broke rules and I was taught a nice lesson. FOMO kicked in. All right. So what happened? Why did I take these 2 trades, and how did I break even? As you can see, I lost 30 cents on the first trade, and then I gained 30 cents on the next trade, hence potentially making it break even. Let's mark these levels off. 1:30, 1:20, 12:47 p.m. So let's do that first. 12:47 p.m. on Facebook. 12:47. Right here. Let's see. Yep. So as I've explained earlier, basically the only trades that I want to take, or the only setups that I want to take, is the VWAP slap during this first few days of the small account challenge. So this is the candle where I entered, and then let's take a look here. The exit, 12:53.10. Wait, no, this is the candle I entered, because it's, yep. And then 12:53.10. So basically 12:54 right here. No, 53, 54, right at the beginning of this candle. Yeah. So let's mark that off. Now hopefully you guys can see this chart properly. This was my exit. Change the color real quick. Okay. So let's explain why I took this trade. And once again, I said that I was going to take the only trades that I were going to take, or the only setup that I was going to take, was a VWAP slap. As I woke up late and I was watching Facebook come back up, it basically did not set up, right? I woke up around the 11 o'clock area around here, and the stock was already up high. However, I was watching this, and I basically drew this trend line out right there. And looking back on it, hindsight being 2020, there were so many plays I could have took. I could have took right here at the rejection of 134, right? I would not have took this. Okay. I don't think I would have. I definitely don't think I would have. I was watching it though, and it was interesting, but this is not one of the setups that I was going to play in this account. I'll probably leave this type of setup in my student account. Yes, I do still have a student account. And I was also watching this. Okay, so once I saw this dump happen and it bounced off, I basically started drawing out this trend line, this downtrend line and this uptrend line together. And when I saw this happen, I was thinking, okay, backside, but I hesitated and didn't take it because of my thesis yesterday at 132 to 131, I believe. I was talking about this last night on my watch list. Let's see if this is the one. Search it real quick here. Yeah, I was talking about this area here at 132 to 131.5, right? I was saying this is the resistance zone that as long as it stayed under, I would want to short it. So when I was watching this backside snap and it came under, I didn't short it, and I kind of regretted it. But I did see this VWAP snap right here, and I was thinking, okay, VWAP slap, backside. This could be that. This could be that setup I was looking for. Now zooming back in, this is where I took the short. I saw it came under VWAP. I saw it come back, get rejected under again. I saw a lower low, and then I saw it retest and got rejected again. So that's why I took the short, all right? And I took the short right at 131.20s, and I was gonna risk a little bit above VWAP, okay? And the correct entry or the correct risk was about 131.50s, okay, the $0.50 mark. And as it came up and shot through here on this candle, I didn't stop out because basically, first of all, I'm on a mental stop. Second, my share size was so small, I was gonna watch it, and I was kind of telling myself, oh, it's just a cover pop. In essence, I should have stopped out here on this candle. Once this candle, or once this green candle closed and the next candle opened up, it opened up running up first. I should have stopped out, and that's breaking a rule and bag holding, because it did breach my mental stop of 131.50s. However, I didn't, and I got lucky. It came down, and I'm thinking to myself, okay, I got lucky. I should have stopped out. So this trade is not working. That's what I was telling myself. So as it came down back here and it gave me a chance to cut losses quickly, I stopped out, or I cut my trade. And then what happens was the next candle, plop, dump right back down, and two more candles down. All right. And basically that kind of pissed me off, right? And I was looking at it pissed. 11:53. Yeah. So I was looking at it pissed. Now, oh, you know what? I stopped out on this candle. Okay. And then I stopped out, and then I basically lost 30 cents here. On the next candle, no, it was this candle. On the next candle, it dumped hard right back through the VWAP. And after this trade in itself, after this whole thing, I'm thinking, Matrix, you're stupid. It was just a cover pop. So why are you scared? Why did you scare yourself out? So I basically took the next candle down as I saw this thing. As I saw this dump right back under the VWAP, I was getting very emotional. And I took the trade one more time. And I took it right here at this next candle and I shorted it. Now, where did I cover? 1303.13. I covered it right here on this candle. I remember correctly because I pounded the table right after I covered too. Just mark that off. This was the candle where I covered. Sorry, let's change the color real quick. Okay, so this was the candle where I covered. As I saw this, I basically retook the short because I was telling myself how stupid I was for covering that quick and didn't let my plan work. So I reshorted it as it came back under the VWAP, and this was the basically the setup I was looking for, right? So I shorted it back again. It came down. It started holding this 131 a few minutes, and then I got scared. As soon as it snapped 131, I just took it off. Okay. And the reason I did that was I remember all of a sudden my conscience kicked in, and I'm telling myself, hey, Matrix, you're breaking rules. It's 1 p.m. Why the hell are you trading? So by punishing myself subconsciously, I took it right off. The next candle, it dumped some more, another 20 cents. And I could have made a little bit of money on it, but I didn't. I took it right off as soon as it gave me a chance to. And basically, those were the two trades. Now, in essence, looking back, these two trades should not have happened as I was breaking my rules. And the lesson was, do not trade during the lull. Okay, I tell myself this on an every single day basis. Basically, this is my demon. This is how I lose money. First of all, I'm shorting on a breakdown. Second of all, I am trading in a time where I preach on a daily basis, not to myself, but to everybody, to not trade the lull. And I still made the mistake of trading lull after 11:30. So my conscience kicked in. And by this time, when I had a chance to get out, I'm telling myself, okay, Johnny, you're breaking rules. Get the hell out. You shouldn't be trading. These two trades should have never happened. You should consider yourself lucky by breaking even. So that's what I did. I took it off and turned off my computer, walked away. Lo and behold, the next few candles, it pops back up and came back down. Look at this. This is the reason why I specifically don't want to trade the lull. This is where all the money is lost. Okay. If you take a look at this whole area right here, the lunchtime area, 2 years of trading, 2 years and a bit of trading. This is where all my money's been lost from all this choppiness during low volume time. Okay. This chop was basically, you can't really make a thesis off this. My thesis last night was to short the stock if it holds under 132 to 131 area. If it holds under this area. Now, it did hold under this area, but it's lunchtime. It's low volume. It's the lull. Had I took this trade and kept it on, see this cover pop right here, it would have crushed me, right? It would have crushed me. Maybe it wouldn't have crushed me. It would have took quite a bit of my money, or if not, I would have took a loss that I shouldn't have took. But in the end, I did get out early, stop trading, and hence I did break even, which was very lucky on my part. Big lesson here: do not trade the law. Stick to your rules. Stick to your guns. And that's what I got for you guys. Now, in hindsight, looking at this trade, this is a beautiful downtrend line, right? This is absolutely beautiful. The perfect entry was a little bit after 11, which is late, right? As soon as we saw this thing run up at the open, basically my plan was supposed to be scrapped, okay? And I shouldn't have even traded this stock until I actually had a real new plan for it, right? So that's the lesson there. I hope you guys enjoy this recap. My watch list is already in the channel. Watch that, and we will continue on forward with day 3 tomorrow of the small account challenge. If you like what you just watched, if you like my recaps and what I've learned and my mistakes or my gains or whatever information that I share, if you enjoy that, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Check my video link descriptions. Okay, I am no longer with Boiler Room Trading. I'm currently a member of Trick Trades. Trick is my mentor, and he is absolutely awesome. I mean, before Boiler Room Trading, I was already a student of Trick's, and he absolutely turned my trading around. And if you're wondering how I learned to make my watch list and how I learned to trade, or how I came to be so good at analyzing shit, Trick Trades is a spot to go to. I understand he's having a Black Friday sale on his DVDs and his scanners. So make sure you check the links and check them out. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.